1. Which water quality parameter is most critical for determining potability in municipal water systems? A. Turbidity. B. Color. C. Temperature. D. Odor. 2. When designing a water treatment curriculum for adult learners, which principle ensures relevance to professional tasks? A. Andragogy. B. Behaviorism. C. Memorization. D. Drill-based learning. 3. A primary goal of a mentoring program for water specialists is A. To assign repetitive tasks. B. To promote practical knowledge, application, and professional growth. C. To reduce accountability. D. To avoid evaluation. 4. Which regulatory standard governs safe drinking water quality in the United States? A. OSHA standards. B. EPA Safe Drinking Water Act. C. FDA Food Code. D. ANSI guidelines. 5. During water sampling, the chain of custody is maintained to A. Record laboratory staff attendance. B. Ensure sample integrity and legal defensibility. C. Document supplier details. D. Track water usage. 6. In adult learning, motivation is most effective when A. Training is strictly lecture-based. B. Learning is tied to job responsibilities and real-world application. C. Tasks are repetitive and non-interactive. D. Learners receive only extrinsic rewards. 7. Which water treatment process is most effective for removing dissolved ions? A. Coagulation. B. Reverse osmosis. C. Sedimentation. D. Chlorination. 8. A formative evaluation of a water treatment training program primarily A. Determines final certification eligibility. B. Provides ongoing feedback to improve instruction. C. Measures organizational ROI. D. Compares participants against each other. 9. Effective mentoring communication includes all except A. Active listening. B. Constructive feedback. C. Frequent interruptions. D. Encouraging reflection. 10. In curriculum development, backward design starts with A. Selecting textbooks. B. Identifying desired learning outcomes. C. Scheduling field visits. D. Listing instructor preferences. 11. Regulatory compliance in water treatment ensures A. Only cost savings. B. Public health protection and legal adherence. C. Reduced training time. D. Faster water distribution. 12. Which technique enhances adult learner engagement in water quality training? A. Passive lectures. B. Case studies of real contamination events. C. Silent reading assignments. D. Memorization drills. 13. The primary purpose of a water audit is to A. Assess financial performance. B. Evaluate water usage efficiency and system performance. C. Replace regulatory inspections. D. Train new staff. 14. During water system inspections, documentation is essential to A. Replace field notes with verbal reports. B. Ensure traceability and accountability. C. Avoid regulatory oversight. D. Reduce field time. 15. Which waterborne pathogen is most critical to monitor in drinking water? A. Escherichia coli. B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. C. Lactobacillus. D. Staphylococcus aureus. 16. Adult learning is enhanced when training includes A. Abstract theory without application. B. Hands-on exercises and problem-solving tasks. C. One-way lectures. D. Minimal interaction. 17. In mentoring, scaffolding refers to A. Assigning tasks without guidance. B. Gradually reducing support as the mentee gains competence. C. Avoiding evaluation. D. Limiting feedback. 18. Reverse osmosis in water treatment primarily removes A. Suspended solids. B. Dissolved salts and minerals. C. Chlorine. D. Sediments. 19. A well-designed water treatment curriculum should A. Ignore regulatory requirements. B. Align learning objectives with field applications and compliance standards. C. Focus solely on theory. D. Prioritize convenience for instructors. 20. Effective water sample collection includes using unclean containers. B. Proper labeling, sterilization, and storage. C. Sampling at random times without documentation. D. Ignoring temperature control. 21. Which evaluation method combines qualitative and quantitative assessment in water training programs? A. Summative evaluation only. Formative evaluation only. C. Mixed method evaluation. D. Peer observation only. 22. Mentoring graduate water specialists improves A. Only technical knowledge. B. Both practical skills and professional judgment. C. Social popularity. D. Compliance paperwork. 23. Chlorination in water treatment is primarily used to A. Remove dissolved ions. B. Disinfect and kill pathogens. Adjust pH. D. Increase turbidity. 24. In curriculum mapping, the purpose is to A. Ensure content aligns with learning outcomes. B. Randomize instructional topics. C. Simplify instructor workload. D. Remove assessments. 25. Water treatment regulatory compliance requires documentation of A. Only system repairs. B. Sampling records, treatment logs, and staff training. C. Staff personal preferences. D. Marketing activities. 26. Adult learners retain knowledge best through A. Passive lectures. B. Spaced repetition and practical application. C. Memorization without context. D. One-time exposure. 27. Mentoring communication should include A. Vague instructions. B. Clear guidance, active listening, and constructive feedback. C. Avoiding questions. D. Frequent criticism. 28. Sedimentation in water treatment is designed to A. Remove dissolved salts. B. Allow suspended solids to settle. C. Kill bacteria. D. Neutralize pH. 29. Hands-on exercises in water treatment training. A. Are optional and unnecessary. B. Enhance learning by applying theory to practice. C. Should replace all assessment. D. Are discouraged. 30. Waterborne contaminants are most effectively monitored through A. Periodic lab testing and real-time monitoring. B. Visual inspection alone. C. Verbal reports. D. Guesswork. 31. In mentoring, role modeling primarily A. Provides examples of professional behavior and standards. B. Replaces formal training. C. Avoids accountability. D. Limits learner autonomy. 32. Water quality improvement strategies should be A. Based solely on tradition. B. Evidence-based, measurable, and regulatory compliant. C. Arbitrary. D. Designed for convenience only. 33. Summative evaluation in water training programs, primarily A. Provides ongoing feedback. B. Assesses overall learning achievement at the end of the program. C. Replaces formative assessment. D. Is unnecessary for adult learners. 34. When evaluating a water treatment training program, which approach best measures long-term skill retention? A. Immediate post-tests. B. Delayed post-assessments combined with workplace performance reviews. C. Instructor satisfaction surveys. D. Attendance tracking. 35. Which advanced treatment method is most effective for removing organic micropollutants, such as pharmaceuticals? A. Rapid sand filtration. B. Activated carbon adsorption. C. Chlorination. De-aeration. 36. In adult training sessions, which instructional strategy best supports mastery of complex treatment technologies? A. Repetition without context. B. Step-by-step demonstrations followed by supervised practice. C. Independent reading. D. Instructor-only problem solving. 37. The purpose of a sanitary survey in water systems is to A. Determine customer satisfaction levels. B. Identify potential sources of contamination and system vulnerabilities. C. Measure turbidity only. D. Evaluate staff promotion eligibility. 38. During mentoring, constructive feedback should be delivered. A. Publicly in front of peers. B. Immediately, clearly, and focused on behaviors rather than personality. C. Only at annual evaluations. D. Only when mistakes are severe. 39. Which regulatory document outlines monitoring requirements for groundwater systems? A. Groundwater Rule. B. Clean Air Act. C. Resource Conservation and Recovery Act. D. Federal Food Safety Standards. 40. In curriculum development for water specialists, performance-based objectives should A. Describe observable, measurable actions. B. Focus on instructor preferences. C. Avoid linking to assessments. D. Use vague and broad statements. 41. A key advantage of mixed media training, videos, hands-on labs, case studies in adult water education is A. It complicates the learning process unnecessarily. B. It supports multiple learning styles and increases content retention. C. It eliminates the need for assessments. D. It replaces real-world application.